basta sa hirap, maging tuyuman ang ulam ko. Ibig ko'y magpatawad kahit kung minsa'y mali ako. Di ko ibig ang selosong gabi at araw ng gugulo. Ang ibig ko sa lalaki ay laging mapagmahal. Ayaw ko sa barumbado na agad nang bubunta.
Halika na at tayo'y magtaguan at maglaro sa sikat ng buwan. Magtago ka, mata ko'y aking tatakpan. Sirit, sirit na ba? Ang tagal naman.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you lose? The lights are much brighter there. You can't forget all your troubles, forget all your cares. So go downtown. Things will be great when you're downtown. No finer place for sure. Downtown, everything's waiting for you.
Sinisinta kita, di ka kumikibo. Akala mo yata ako'y nagbibiro. Saksi ko ang langit, sampu ng kanduro. Kung di kita mahal, bubutok ang puso.
I thought love was only true in fairy tales, and for someone else, but not for me. Our love was out to get me. That's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried.
Ikaw ang mahal kong tunay na tunay. Ang laging panaginip ko'y tanging ikaw. Ngunit ang totoo madalas mo mapag-alinlanganan. Ang puso kong tapat sa pagsintang di mo alam.
Oh, Carol, I am but a fool. Darling, I love you. Though you treat me cruel, you hurt me, and you make me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die.
Mamang sorbetero, anong ngalan mo? Tinda mong ice cream, gustong gusto ko. Init ng buhay, pinapawi mo. Sama ng loob, nalilimutan ko. Mamang sorbetero, tayo'y sumayaw. Kalimbang mong hawak, muling ikaw ay batang munti, sa'yo'y naghihintay. Bigyang ligaya, ngayong tag-araw.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you. Honey, oh sugar, sugar, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
Finally, Ariel happened to me. One wash clean, sa Lavada for just $7.50. Finally, Ariel happened to me. Ang gaan sa bulsa, 'cause it's just $7.50. Finally! Whoa!
Pilipinas, celebrate dahil finally 7.50 na lang ang one wash cream ng Ariel.